What's up, guys? Just 1 second before the video starts, I want to thank you for watching, subscribing, and liking my videos. It's really helping. And just to let you know that down below in the description, you'll see a link to all the tools that I love and use. So if you ever have any questions, check it out. I'm always updating it, so stay tuned. Alright, repeat customer. So we're just doing the downstairs and the stairs. So you can tell it's pretty soiled. Last time I used Sager's Code Red. Since it's been only, I don't know, 6 months, I think. I'm gonna see how the carpet detail works. If that doesn't work, I'm gonna go ahead and mix up some Pro Scion, and it's a pH of, I think, almost 12. And we'll use that if we need it. But we're gonna go ahead and try out the carpet detail first. So I already pre-sprayed. Aaron's scrubbing. Alright, so finished with that. Yeah, it's just a little short video. I wasn't even going to record today, but I thought, you know, and well, the customers also are adding on an extra drying fee there. So what I do is I go over it with the 175 in a bonnet, and then the Orc in the bonnet, because we're doing stairs, and you get the maximum amount of moisture out of there, so it dries quicker. So I did charge extra for that. All right, that's it. So if your customers are concerned about dry times, you can always offer them that. So like I said, it's always good to have a 175 or an Auric on your truck. You know, that's another use for it. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. See you in the next video.